The Nasdaq 100 is back at support. Is it time to buy or is it time to sell? Well, yesterday we bought it and I think it's time to buy it again. Let me tell you why. Okay, so you're looking here right now at a Nasdaq 100 chart, and we're using the ATFX support and resistance indicator. You can find the link to this free indicator on the top comment, but also in the description. All right, so this is the Nasdaq 100, and we're dealing with an uptrend still. You know, we are creating higher and higher lows. It's also quite interesting. It's just that the U.S. economy is holding up much better than expected. So a lot of people thought we were going to have like a double dip recession, but so far it's been proved wrong. And some macro economists that I follow that do a lot of quant work and they're quite good in what they're doing, they think that also in the first quarter there's going to be a beat where the economy is probably going to do better than expected in the US. And then all this is supporting the stock markets. Now I know there's not a new driver, right? We haven't seen, we did see the new sort of stimulus packages. We have also seen, probably as much as the Federal Reserve is going to do at this time. And that is definitely something that is not good because we need those surprises, more stimulus really to keep this going. And when that doesn't happen, the economy needs to catch up. And that is what we're seeing now. But obviously that's going to take quite some time. But then again, from a pure trading perspective, we're dealing with an uptrend. So why complicate it too much? And yesterday, the indicator said, look to buy here for this to go up. And that's exactly what we did here. So if you look at how we traded this one yesterday, you can see here, you can barely see it. Let me zoom in. How we bought here at the buy spot and then pushed upwards and then got out that take profit too. Of course, it doesn't have to hold, but it does make a lot of sense. Like a lot of these different markets are at buy levels. Let me show you some other things, like for example the S&P 500, where we bounced from the buy spot, and I think probably even from here it should be fine. But yesterday we bounced from here, went upwards. Look at the Dow Jones as well. We bounced from the buy spot. It's not properly configured, but we bounced from here. So overall, we're dealing with some uptrends, and I think from a purely trading perspective, it wouldn't be a bad idea to give this another chance to go upwards. There are some markets, of course, that are bearish, and that will be like the German DAX. If I show you the German DAX, you can see that we're looking for a weakness here. And yesterday, the indicator said, look to sell here. We reached take profit 1. So yes, it's a mixed bag. But if you look at all the US stock markets, for now, they are bullish. And with that in mind, I'm going to continue to be bullish over the next couple of days and weeks until proven otherwise, because that's how my system works. We go with the trend until stopped out. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.